This problem is asking me to simplify and state any variable restrictions. Whenever I see a problem like this, I factor first always. That gives me 2x over x minus 2 times x plus 1 plus 4x over x minus 2 times x minus 1. In order to add fractions, I need to have common denominators. Both of my denominators have an x minus 2, but they don't have the same second factor. So in order to make these equivalent denominators, I'm going to multiply the second fraction by x plus 1 over x plus 1, so that both denominators have an x plus 1. I'm going to multiply the first fraction by x minus 1 over x minus 1, so that both fractions have x minus 1 in their denominator. When I do this, I need to be careful to distribute the numerator into the factor that I'm multiplying by. So in this case, I get 2x squared minus 2x over x minus 2, x plus 1, x minus 1, plus distributing the 4x into the factor I'm multiplying by, 4x squared plus 4x all over x minus 2 times x minus 1 times x plus 1. Now that I have common denominators, I can add numerators. So I get 6x squared plus 2x all over x minus 2, x plus 1, x minus 1. And in this case, it's useful to take a look and see if I factor the numerator, if anything cancels out. In this case, I can pull out a 2x, which leaves me a 3x plus 1, which does not cancel out with anything in my denominator. The problem also is asking me to state any restrictions, and that means when I take a look at my denominator, what values of x will lead my fraction to be undefined. In this case, x cannot equal 2, -1, and 1.